copy furnishing the United States of America. We were then a colony of America. That was in 1933. And Japan called the Spratly Islands Sinangunto. Tayo tinawag nating Kalayaan Island Group. I'm trying to emphasize this, General. Ang dami kasing ang daming mga disinformation and misinformation Paano nilang sasabihin na somebody donated this to the government? But this is not the whole point now Alam ninyo, 4 na territories ng ating Spratly Islands, are already territories of the Philippines. Simply because we occupied them. Tayo nag-occupy na dito And somebody is suggesting na sinasabi ko raw, I'm trying to remove the KIG from the territory of this country by presenting a spliced narrative. Ito yung mabigat dito No less than a senator of the republic did this. We'll come to this in proper time. Gusto ko lamang paalam na alam niyo si Tomas Cloma was mentioned in the arbitral award only in pages 250 and 251. Sinasabi ng tribunal, a certain Filipino and his associates had some activities in this practice, sabi niya. Yun lang, na-mention. Doon lang siya na-mention. And parang nagkataon lang na nakarating sa Ito Aba and nagkaroon lang ng konti sigurong kung ano-ano pinagagawa nila doon. That was the only time that this Tomas Cloma was mentioned in the arbitration tribunal. So baka po tinuturo sa Command and General Staff Course.
Your Honor, as I said, sir, we only have modules not including the history, Your Honor.
So yung pinagsasabi ni Senator Ping are all distortions.
I have to find out, Your Honor.
It's borne out by our TSN. May transcript po kami.
Probably in the old CGSC classes in the 80s or 90s, Your Honor. There's a part of history, but I can only surmise on that, Your Honor. So,
sinasabi ko lang po, ako kailanman hindi ko sinabi, I'm trying to remove the KIG from the territory of this country. I never, not even a suggestion. Alam po ninyo, it was misquoted several times here. When we were meeting at the CA, I was only trying to emphasize 2 things. The difficulty of plotting the West Philippine Sea because of several obstacles. There are 3 articles of the UNCLOS that will be contradicted if we will encircle the West Philippine Sea with the KIG. Pero hindi ko po problema yon. Problema na ng NAMRIA kung paano natin gagawin. I hope we can help NAMRIA plot the map of the West Philippine Sea in our lifetime. Pero hindi ko kailanman sinuggest. Sinabi ko lang, napakahirap talaga ako. Alam mo, after 14 years, you may want to look back at Administrative Order number 29, which was issued by President Pinoy in 2012. At that time, he already instructed the NAMRIA and the Department of Foreign Affairs to prepare the necessary maps and charts with coordinates and submit them to the United Nations and notify all relevant international organizations, including the International Hydrographics Organization, for the purpose of plotting a West Philippine Sea map as the western side of our country. I was telling them, maybe, I just said maybe, the difficulty lies in the several obstacles that they will encounter. Kasi nga nasa high seas na lahat yun I'm not talking about territory. I'm only talking about the West Philippine Sea. How we can encircle that part of the ocean, most of which is already the high seas. Nagbiro lang ako. It was a hypothetical statement when I said, well, you want to give up the KIG para ma-encircle mo. But that was highly hypothetical. It was not even a suggestion. Sabi ko pa nga kung pwede lang nating ilipat sana sa EEZ natin, but you cannot do that. Only God knows. Or only God can do that. So, General, so many times I'm being misquoted by several people, including a retired justice of the Supreme Court. In due time, we will meet all them. Kasi naggawa na po ako ng resolution. I will ask the NAMRIA and ask all these people trying to paint me as the villain and they as the national hero of the Philippines. So salamat po, General, sa pagkakasabi mo. And now I am relieved na hindi pala part ng Command and General Staff Course, which was erroneously cited by Senator Ping in our discussion at the last CA hearing. Thank you. And I think you should also look into this. Kayo pala yung national, what do you call it?
National Defense College of the Philippines, Your Honor.
Sana po mag-coordinate kayo kay General because they are also in that course. Baka lumabas na naman si Tomas Cloma, kung ano na naman ang pagsasasabihin nila. So yun lang po yung point why I came in. I'm interested in being able to look at how our armed forces are educated. Ang gusto ko po talagang mangyari rito sa buhay natin, in our lifetime, we should be able to plant the West Philippine Sea on the western side of this country like what Vietnam did. Alam po ninyo yung ginawa ng Vietnam? Nakagawa sila ng Gulf of Tonkin. Now, titingnan po ninyo ang mapa ng South China Sea. The Gulf of Tonkin is there because it is registered in the S-23. What is S-23? What is that? S-23 is the limits of oceans and seas. It is published by International Hydrographic Organization. Naglaban sila ng China. Nanalo ang Vietnam. Now, tingnan po ninyo South China Sea. Meron silang Gulf of Tonkin. But what about our West Philippine Sea? Hanggang ngayon, wala. Dahil hindi ginagawa ng NAMRIA ang sinabi in 2012. Alam niyo pinalabas nila ngayon? I think nagpalabas sila. They showed them up. Last Wednesday. Tingnan po ninyo kung anong nilabas ng NAMRIA. It was an administrative map. What is an administrative map? Ano po ibig sabihin ng administrative map, Madam?
I have to request your indulgence, Your Honor. I'm not an expert on maritime concerns.
An administrative map is a map that delineates the political subdivision of our country. Makikita nyo doon ang regions and the provinces. Ito ginawa nila. Tingnan ninyo, it was published, dated December 2025. That is not the kind of map needed by the United Nations. That is not the kind of map needed by the IHO. It should be a map accompanied by charts with coordinates. Para sa ganun, we can notify the whole world, the whole international community that we would like to allocate that purely for the Philippines. Ilagay natin sa mapa yon. There are obstacles, I know that, but we should work on the obstacles. The NAMRIA should work on this. Hindi yung sasabihin nila na, I'm saying all the difficulties, I'm not trying to isolate anything from our territory. Di ba sinasabi natin, we cannot give up an inch of our territory. Alam niyo kung pahabain ko lang ang discussion na to? It was the retired justice of the Supreme Court who gave up 242,000 of our territorial sea away. I will prove that in several days to come. Tayo, sinasabi natin, even an inch of our territory, we will not give up. Tama naman yon, ilalaban natin yon. Pero siya, dahil sa pagdedesisyon niya ng mali, the Republic Act 9522, 2011, somebody raised it to the Supreme Court on issue of constitutionality. Ang akala ko naman alam niya ang ginagawa niya. Ang nawala sa atin, territorial sea, Madam, 242,030 square nautical miles. That's more than the area, that's more than the land area of this country. The land area of this country is about 300,000 square kilometers. How much is 242,000 square miles, Madam? That's about 629,000 square kilometers. Kasi nasabi ko, siya yung traidor. Ayaw niyang pag-usapan ito because it happened. Gusto niyang palawakin to. Tingnan natin lahat. Ang territorial sea, madam, including our land area, ito yung ating territory. It was defined by our national territory provision of the Constitution. Look at your 1935 Constitution. Look at your 1973 Constitution and the 1987 Constitution. We did not give up any inch of our territory, including of our territorial seas. The retired Justice of the Supreme Court did that. I'm sorry, I need to say all this. To allay all those false statements and misinformation. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.